Hi, my name is Erin Flewelling, and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. I want to take a few minutes to introduce myself to you and share a little bit about my philosophy of teaching before we get started. By the way, you are welcome to call me Professor Flewelling, Mrs. Flewelling, or even Erin. Some students want something a little more formal than just my first name, but less formal than Professor Flewelling, and they've called me Professor Erin. Any of those names are totally fine. I graduated from Mesa College with a degree in English back in 1984, and then I continued my studies at San Diego State, graduating with degrees in French and in English. A few years later, I returned to campus to get a master's in rhetoric and writing studies because I always wanted to teach. Currently, I teach part-time at Southwestern College, and I'm a lecturer in the Rhetoric and Writing Studies department, as well as an assistant director in the Campus Writing Center at San Diego State. I chose to teach writing because I believe that communication is the key to success, no matter what we want to do. I also believe that communication, especially written communication, is incredibly difficult. I mean, how do we get ideas from inside our heads onto a piece of paper that someone else can really understand, so someone else can know what we are thinking? It's not easy, especially when the ideas are complicated, or maybe when we are not even sure what we are thinking. Honestly, I struggle with writing, sometimes more than others, but I've learned that this is okay, that I will always be growing as a writer. And accepting this idea gives me more confidence when I write. It also gives me more compassion for the writers I work with in my classroom, because we are all learning. I also believe that the more we write, the more we learn. And that's kind of my philosophy of teaching. I give you lots of opportunities to write and then to think about what you've written, why you've written it that way. And then I give you opportunities to revise. Now, I want to wrap this up, but before I do, I just want to let you know that I'm looking forward to meeting you through your writing.